Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your Xbox game tag for free. So I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to get it done. So step 1 is to open the Xbox app or website. So to open your mobile, then go to the Xbox app on your phone, then if it's on PC, then go to socialxbox.com/change game tag. So on step 2, you have to enter your Microsoft email and password to log in. Then on step 3, you have to check if a free game tag change is available. So if this is your first time changing your game tag, it's free. So if you already changed it before, Microsoft will definitely charge a fee. Then on step 4, enter your new game tag. So type in your new game tag in the search bar, then click check availability to see if it is taken. Then if it's available, click next, then confirm the change, then renew your new game tag, then click on confirm to apply the change. Then on the step 6, you have to restart your Xbox if needed. So if your Xbox doesn't update immediately, restart your Xbox or sign out and back in again. So I hope this helped you. Then let me know if you need more guide like this. Thank you.